painter, sculptor, and installation artist, has studied fine arts from the BK College of Art and Crafts, Bhubaneswar, in 2001. Her painting depicts the degradation of tribal culture in modern times. Having lost the cultural roots, they face identity crisis, which leads to their alienation. She tries to bring out crisis and has attempted to portray the condition of the tribal in modern milieu through her artwork, rural, traditional, and natural form combined in her painting. Filled with earthy flavors and natural colors, depicting simplicity and purity, which is the very essence of our tradition and origin. The influence of rural people, their tradition, and culture are very clearly visible in her paintings, as her early days were influenced by rural surrounding. She maintains an intense and powerful bond with nature. Her paintings give evidence of a passionate concern with the drawing and color to produce intensely sensuous and poetic representation of the simple and peaceful rural woman. The vintage car represents a symbol of urban setting. Abhipsar keenly noticed all these tribal-related issues during her research in various tribal belts of Orissa. That is why her paintings are simple signatures of ethnicity linked with modern milieu. She portrays the story of identity crisis of Odissan tribes, which in other words can be called the loss of their cultural roots. The use of earthen colors and related natural color schemes depicts the simplicity and purity commonly seen in socio-cultural interrelations among Orissan tribes. The painting Journey is painted on silk tussar, the mixed issues of transformation of tribal culture and related stories of concern in the form of creative expressions.